everyone, and welcome back to Starkey Farmstead. So I need your help. I would like some of you, or all of you, to email me your favorite Thanksgiving side dishes, your casseroles or your desserts. And I'm going to put my email address in here. Send them to me. Send the ingredients and the instructions. And what I'm going to try to do is tomorrow I'm going to pick one of the things that you've sent, and I'm going to make it with you either Monday afternoon or Tuesday and put the video up to kind of give other people ideas, because it's always like, what am I going to cook for Thanksgiving? And we always get stuck eating the same old boring stuff. But I trust that you guys have something up your sleeve. I know, I'm talking to you. You have something up your sleeve. And I would like you to share it with all of the YouTube world. So this year for sure, I'm gonna be doing a homemade pumpkin pie. I'm gonna be doing that tomorrow, even making my own pumpkin pie crust. And I'm also gonna be doing a sweet potato casserole, because I grew organic sweet potatoes in a no-till system this year. So I'm gonna do the sweet potato casserole. So if you've had a recipe for either of those that you think is like off the chain delicious, please email it to me tonight, because we're making those tomorrow. But I just know that there's somebody out there that's got a really creative fallback casserole dish that just knocks people's socks off. And I'd like you to share it so that I can make it with everybody on YouTube. So thank you so much. If you haven't done so, please like, comment, and subscribe, and come hang out with us in the kitchen this year.